Okay, today we are going to record to do about JASP, just a basic introduction of how to perform it and everything. So if you have already installed the app, you just come the software, click on the search, then you JASP, and then you open. So let's wait for it to open. Yeah, and that's how it looks like when you open it. So if you want to learn any analysis here, let's say you want to do about regression, correlation, and everything. So this video is mainly about the descriptive statistics. So after it has opened, you come here, you see, show main menu, where you come and say open. You can save from your computer, so you know where you are. My file, let's say I have my Excel file on downloads. I will click on downloads, and then I can use this one for grades. Open, and that's how the file opens. So if I want to do descriptive statistics, maybe I want to find the mean, I want to find the standard deviation, everything, maximum, minimum, range, etc. We'll come here and click descriptives. So if you want to do that, you see on this side, the results section. So if I want to do descriptive statistics for, let's say, GPA, I will click on GPA, then click on this arrow here. Yeah, and that's it. The GPA, the descriptive statistics for GPA have been already displayed here. You see this is the count, which is 105. Missing is at 0, mean in this, that division is this, minimum and maximum. Those are not the only functions that you can get. So if I want to get it, let's say more of the statistics, I click here. You see here, statistics, click statistics. Then you can decide to include, if you want to say the quartiles, you can click the quartiles. You see, they have been added here. Also, if you want to find the mode, to be added like that. If you want to find the median, to be added. Also, if you want to find the skewness, the kurtosis, the sum, etc., they'll be fine there. Also, if I want to find the interquartile range, the variance, all of them will be displayed here. Also, another interesting thing, if let's say I want to find GPA, maybe I have something like let's say between gender and the staff, you can split it here. So let's say we have gender, you can split it here. So you'll find that is it, the gender. And that's how it is done. Thank you for watching. Yeah, subscribe for more interesting videos.